Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm preparing dinner and I'm going to take you guys along as I do so. Today we're having for dinner some fried barbecue chicken, some black bean rice, veggies and fried plantain. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching guys. Okay guys, the first step is to prep our chicken. And here I have some leg and thigh already washed, cut and washed. Yes, and it's time to season now. The season I'll be using will be on the screen and I'll try to link them in the description box below. We're going to season this well, cover and allow it to marinate at least an hour before the cooking process. So if you enjoy what you're seeing so far, please tap the subscribe button if you haven't as yet. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for always coming back. I appreciate you guys so much. That is my season to the bone. So just keep on watching guys and I'll catch you when it's time to prep our rice. So only Jamaicans will know that one. So garlic, hot pepper, scallion, thyme, garlic powder, complete powder, and some clove. I'm going to put the clove in the pepper. Our first step is to allow the coconut milk and the black bean to boil. Then we prepped our season and add that to it. Just like we're cooking rice and peas from scratch, okay? So just keep on watching guys and I'll catch you further on in the video. Add pepper, pimento seed, clove. We have ginger. We're just going to add this to our pot that's boiling. We're going to add the season, allow it to boil for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Then we add our washed rice. Lower the flame and cover your pot and allow the rice to cook. So catch you guys when it's time to prep the chicken. guys, time to deep fry our chicken. We're going to add enough oil to our deep pan. We need a thick bottom pan. We don't need the chicken to burn. Here in the bowl, I'm adding some all-purpose flour, cornstarch, chili powder, garlic powder, thyme, complete season, black pepper, and salt. These are the seasoning that I use to season the chicken, and we're going to add them to the coating of the chicken also. We're going to mix this well, coat our chicken, shake off the excess, fried until golden brown and done. And then we can prep our sauce. So just keep on watching, guys. You try to lower the flame. We don't need the chicken to be burned outside and then it's not cooked inside. So we're going to do this low and slow, and we're going to cover our pot so we can steam and cook in the meanwhile. Steam and fried. Okay? After about 5 minutes, then you can remove the cover and allow it to catch the color outside and become more crispy. So the cover is just to steam the chicken. So here is our veggie preparation. This is a regular salad I do on my channel. I'll link the full video of this one in the description box and also in the iCard. And this is just cabbage, carrot, bell pepper. And for the dressing, we need vinegar, cooking oil, some sugar, and lime juice. You can make this with omit the sugar and use pepper instead, but that's 80 style. Yes, but Jamaican style, we use the sugar, the vinegar, the cooking oil, and the lemon juice. Both ways for me is very delicious. So here is my chicken. These are done. So I'm going to take these from the pot, place them on a bowl lined with paper towel, and continue frying the other pieces. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And if you're a foodie, please check out my Foodilicious playlist. I'll link that in the description box, and it's also open on my channel. So for the bell peppers, we're going to shred these fine as well as we did for the cabbage and the carrot. For the dressing, now we're going to add the lime juice, the vinegar, the coconut oil or vegetable oil, and a little bit of sugar. And we just mix that. Best served at least 30 minutes after. So we're going to mix this and place it in our fridge. Let it marinate while we finish dinner. So just continue watching, guys. I'm here bumbling a lot. Keep on watching. guys, time to finish dinner. Chicken finished. These look so yummy, and they were. Okay, for the barbecue sauce, we're going to need some chili, sweet sauce, some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, some hot pepper sauce. These are homemade hot pepper sauce I did. Vinegar, we're going to need some brown sugar. I'm also going to use some complete season, and I'm going to add all this to a pan. This pan has a bit of oil left over from me frying my plantain, which I did off camera. So I remove the oil and adding all my ingredients now for my barbecue sauce. This is optional. You can use the barbecue sauce straight from the bottle, but I love to add my own flavor, hence I'm doing all this. We're just going to mix this up, and low flame, allow it to reduce, and then we can dip our chicken, then we can serve dinner. Okay, so just stick with me guys, I'm almost there. Yes, I'm almost there. And again, please check out my Foodilicious playlist. You'll find lots of goodies there, both Jamaican dishes and international dishes. You will also find other playlists available on my channel with sweet treats and all. And here I'm just dipping my chicken. Look how beautiful these look, guys. Yes, and here is the final look for the chicken. Yeah, they were very delicious. Okay, and here is my final dish. I did some garnish. I also did a quick fresh salad with some lettuce, carrot, cucumber, and tomato. And that is my plantain that I did off camera. Please tell me in the comment section how did this look. It was very delicious, I must say that. So thanks for watching guys, and I appreciate you guys a lot. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.